Hello, my name is Tommaso and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a football or volleyball using a Rubik Snake 72. Okay, let's begin. So first of all, we're going to be counting 1, 2, 3. And this third one, we're going to be going down, like this. This grey one, also be going down. This black one, bend it closer to this one. Then this grey one will turn this way. This grey one will turn this way. And then we connect. This go twice. This grey one, we're going to be bending it twice and then move to connect. This grey one once. This orangey grey one here. Grey one over here. Black one like this. Grey one once. The black one is going to go inwards, so then this black one can go outwards to connect. Grey one can go once and twice. Bend this once. This grey one can go inwards. This black's going to go inwards. This grey one outwards. Black one inwards. This grey one outwards. Grey one outwards again. So you should have this so far. This goes twice. This grey one once. Grey one once. Then this grey one twice. Then you can bend this twice. So then you can connect. Go like this. Black one upwards. Black one outwards. Like this. And then you can see this grey one. Bend it twice so you can slot in. This black one is going to go once. Grey one can go once. This grey one once. And then bend this black one twice. So you go inwards. This grey one is going to go once. Inwards. This black one outwards. And twice. The grey one is going to go twice. So then you go like this. This one outwards, grey one inwards, then grey one outwards again. And then bend the black one twice. Grey one once, black one inwards, grey one inwards, and then turn this. And then you follow down the line. So when you follow, you should have this, and then at the very end, we'll bend this last piece twice. So it slots in, and then you should have created your football or volleyball using a Rubik Snake 72. Thank you for watching.